plotter. It's a small 14 inch, I think, cutter. So I'm kind of working within the limitations of that. I also have only so much material that he had left over from wrapping his roof in a 3D 3M carbon fiber vinyl. So while working within the confines of what I've been given, what we're going to be doing is a hollowed out hexagon design for now. Enjoy the car ride out, and we have quite the video ahead of us. So all you Subi fanboys and Vape Nation lovers, this one will be awesome. Stay tuned. Okay, so what we're doing with our design is we're going to have our hollow hexagons wrapped down the side here just before the door and up to the bumper line here. First step up is to get them placed, and then Adam here.
Oh, hey.
Will be helping out. He's getting his pre-game funk on. What are those, Adam? Are those fives?
Those fives, dude.
Yeah, solid, bro. You actually probably don't want to pull nothing. We got a lot of work to do. So,
Right.
Okay. It out, place it in there.
Oh my god, you're a fucking genius.
Okay, there we are. We have most of the quarter finished.
Adam's in his usual position on all fours.
Adam's working.
Also known as a taxpayer's position.
Taxpayer's position. It's a yoga move. This right here is going to be finished up 8 rows in. Adam had the idea to do exactly 8 rows so we don't have to measure. It would just be nice and easy. Match it on the other side. But it's looking pretty cool. We're not sure if we're going to fill in any of these. But we do have some other shapes and sizes that we're going to play with a little bit. But it's looking pretty cool. Adam's working hard, as he usually does, on all fours. Cutting out the extra row. This side, yet to be done. But in no time, Adam will be joining his vape sessions with his other Subi buddies.
Fuck you.
There it is. One side finished. Now we just need to go to the other side, replicate this, And then we can put in a few extra little hexagons, maybe fill in this blank space here. Maybe some trailing off back there. Not sure, but that's the gist. We come in here. We got that New Force logo for the ladies. Everybody knows that. Looking good. There it is. That concludes the video. We got some real cool shots of that 2017 WRX. We didn't have any vapes for the video because I was worried it would mess with the quality. Be a little bit smoky and hazy. So no vape pens for the making of this video. And still, they're not FDA approved, so we don't know if they're safe or not. Let's get that out of the way right now, Subi boys. Not confirmed. But I digress, because everything came out looking awesome. Adam's happy. That's the most important part, is that the customer is happy. And we want to pretty much, I cut out the design. It took a lot of time to weed it, but I think it's also quite extensive laying it out and everything, because you want to make sure that everything lays down just right, no bubbles, and hopefully longevity is the plan here. It works out for the long haul. It did come out great, in my opinion. It could have come out even better if it wasn't a Subaru, I think. Yeah, see what I did there? Sparked a fire under that ass. All those Subi fanboys are like, what? Dislike. This guy's a jerk. Probably drives some kind of rotary. Ugh. Yuck. Chasing clouds. Don't be mad though, because it's not like your stereotype is that you run into crowds. Mustang. I mean, it could always be worse. And I drive a rotary powered vehicle, and I think we all know what that means, that my engine's a ticking time bomb. So there's that. I'd like a world where we can all make fun of each other's cars and nobody gets uber butthurt with a hemorrhoid of hatred and anger. That'd be cool, but until then, go ahead and hit that dislike button. Feel free to subscribe so you can hit dislike in the future. If you would like, you can go ahead and leave a comment expressing your dislike.